State's largest school district made the call this morning to keep all 50,000 students home for the next week and a half.
And it comes as classes had been canceled so staff could get tested. Megan Woods is live tonight. Megan, the superintendent made the call before most of the results even came back.
Well, he said throughout the winter holiday break, they've been monitoring the COVID cases across the city, and that virtual learning just seemed like the best option right now.
We just have to work through this difficult surge.
Dr. Vitti refers to opening schools right now as an operational nightmare. But for parents like Raina Robinson, going back to virtual learning is a disappointment.
Understand the safety measures that need to be taken because the virus is affecting a lot of people in a negative way, of course. Our students, though, I think the majority of them do better and want to be in person.
It also puts a strain on the parents who aren't working from home.
I have to make adjustments so that I make sure that my child is on task doing what they need to do, but for some parents, they're not able to do that.
Dr. Vitti says he gets it because he grew up having to be alone while his mom was at work. But when it comes to the safety of students and the city's close to 40% infection rate, he says testing just isn't enough.
I mean, even if we see higher numbers like 10%, 15%, we can stay open with 100% universal testing. The problem is when you're at 40%, the spread is so wide and so deep that inevitably you're going to have positive cases.
Then combine that with the city's vaccination rate.
We're below 50%, where other large urban school districts or cities like Baltimore, Cleveland, DC, Oakland are 70%, 80%.
The district will have IT, homework, mental health hotlines for families, and for students who don't have a laptop yet, they can pick that up at their school starting Thursday. Live in Detroit, I'm Megan Woods, Local 4.
Megan, it might be a little early to ask this question, but any word on the possibility of a vaccine mandate for the district?
Well, the superintendent said that it is likely a vaccine mandate will happen next school year, but right now they're focusing on testing.
Yeah.
They only test about 60% of students. So to get to that 100%, they're going to have a testing mandate by the end of this month.
Yeah. Okay. Megan, thanks.